Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I share with you how to make party vegetable soup that will stay greenish even when the party is over. When was the last time you prepare your vegetable soup and it remain greenish? It doesn't change color. Well, in this video I share with you how I prepare mine. So stay tuned, keep watching, and let's dive into it. So everyone, to begin, I blended fresh pepper and onions, fry it with palm oil for 2 minutes, and then next I go in with my already cooked cow skin, cow head, and beef. And next I begin to add my already freshly chopped water leaf and mix to combine. If you want to know how to chop your water leaf, I will leave a link at the description box on how to do that. So everyone, I could not film the parts where I stir fry fresh pepper and onions and crayfish together, but that is exactly how I started this. And please make sure your water leaf is properly squeezed to remove all that a bit of sour taste that it has. So after I stir fry together, the next thing is to add my already cooked dry fish and stockfish and mix to combine. If you look at the pot, you notice there's no single water. I did not add any water. I made sure that the fish does not have any water. And next I will add my already cooked kpomo or cow skin. This kpomo was cooked off camera and also stir fried with pepper. And after I add, I mix to combine. So everyone, the reason I stir fried the kpomo, the cow skin, the beef, and then the water leaf is to help it remain greenish and very tasty while the party is over. Next, I will add my already blended crayfish or prawns and mix to combine. The quantity of all ingredients, both the palm oil, which you did not see when I added because I forgot to on my camera. I thought it was on, everyone. So everything will be at the description box. Next, I will cover and allow to boil on a medium flame for 2 minutes, and after that I will add my Nsala leaf. Nsala leaf is another powerful leaf that adds very nice aroma and taste to your vegetable soup. Then next I will add 1 teaspoon of beef seasoning, and next I will add my already chopped ugu leaf or vegetable leaf, freshly chopped vegetable leaf. Now, the way your vegetable soup comes out also depends on how you cut your vegetable leaf, the ugu leaf. If you cut it super big, of course it won't look presentable. So for me, I take my time to cut it myself the way I would love it. So you see the look it gives to the soup already on the screen. Let me know at the comment section what you think about this method. Now, to make our soup greenish, we stir fried the water leaf with little palm oil and already freshly blended pepper and onions. Stir fry it with it and the beef. Then make sure there is no water because water leaf, as the name implies, has water already. So next I will add my remaining stir fried pepper sauce and then mix to combine. Add pepper according to your taste. All the quantity of ingredients will be at the description box. So the soup is ready. This can be eaten with any swallow of your choice. Alright, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe. Stay safe and bye for now.